Welcome to the Science Lab. Paper forms an integral part of our daily life. We use paper for communication, education, and information sharing. As paper is produced using wood fibers, they lead to deforestation. So, it has a huge impact on environment. Therefore, recycling paper is important. It saves trees, energy, and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Do you know paper can be easily recycled at home? Let's find out through this experiment. The apparatus and materials that you require to perform this experiment are newspaper or used paper, water, mold and decal, large container, blotting paper. Let's get started. Take a newspaper and tear it into small pieces. Small pieces of newspaper easily mix in the water. Fill the large container with water and put the pieces of newspaper into it. After leaving the water and paper mixture for a day, mix it well until a thick paste is formed. Now, add some water to the thick paste of paper to make it more watery. Mix it well. Now, fix the decal over the mold and then immerse this frame into the mixture. Next, while keeping the frame in a horizontal position, lift the frame slowly from the mixture. Notice that a thin spread of paper is formed on the mold. Remove the decal and soak the extra water from the spread of paper using a blotting paper. Now, carefully remove the paste spread from the mold and keep it for drying. What do you observe? You see that the spread of paper paste dries up to form a new sheet of paper. Why does it happen? Paper is made from cellulose fibers obtained from the trees. When the paper is mixed with water, these cellulose fibers are separated to form paper pulp. Later, when this pulp spread dries up, the fibers join together again to form a new paper that can be used for several purposes. However, paper cannot be recycled indefinitely because during recycling, the fibers become shorter in the process of pulp formation. Therefore, after being recycled for 5 to 7 times, the fibers become very short and are unable to bond to form a new paper. You have now successfully completed this experiment. Let us recap the steps for performing this experiment. You can download this summary sheet by clicking on the download button displayed at the top of the page.